All right, welcome back. It is Power Check time. By the way, the entire stock market could be a power check today because we're pretty much just on session highs. Nice start to the week. All right, we've got to start this segment with your mystery chart. And yes, it is Robinhood. Robinhood surging more than 400% in the past year. So let's talk more about that and more with Eva Ados, Chief Investment Strategist at ERShares. Eva, welcome. Good to have you on Power Lunch. All right, we can kind of go on trading, crypto trading. So let's start with Robinhood. Obviously, just an unbelievable year. What is your take now?
We like it. It's one of our favorites. In fact, we believe that the next bank won't be a bank. It will be an app like Robinhood, a super app. And Robinhood is a great example of showing that in the future, the financial powerhouses will not come out of Wall Street, but out of Silicon Valley. This is a company that went from 8 billion to 120 billion in a couple of years. It just joined the S&P 500. And when it comes to its size, it's now equal to Capital One. It's equal to UBS, 1.5 times Bonnie Mellon, and 4 times State Street. This is amazing to see a company that just got started to reach that growth. It's a super app. It's not just trading. This is a company that allows you to have a whole financial platform in your fingers, and you can trade. You can access credit. It has crypto trading, but it also has predictive markets, which is an area that we think is going to grow tremendously. Just since February, Robinhood had 4 billion event contracts, and that's a great area for them. In Q3 was the strongest for them, and that shows in their fundamentals too. Their net margin is now 50%. It's 4 times its peers. We like it. We think the future is Robinhood.
It's amazing. People used to poo-poo, and when I say used to, Eva, I mean like last year or 2 years ago, sort of poo-pooed what they call events gambling. You know, who's going to win this election? What's going to happen over here? Now it's being traded like stocks. All right, let's stay with trading and the crypto future. Just referenced crypto. Coinbase up next. That stock has doubled in the past 6 months, but you and your firm still think this is a buy. How come?
Yes, for sure. Now they have the base L2 blockchain, and that's changing the game. Now, Coin is not just a crypto platform. It has become an actual part of the infrastructure, and a significant part. So it's now the largest crypto exchange in the U.S., but their business model has shifted from pure trading to now subscription and stablecoin and custody. In fact, BlackRock and Fidelity both use Coin for their custody. So there are many traditional old school companies that have engaged Coinbase. And so the next frontier for them is tokenization. That's another area we like. So we like prediction markets and we like tokenization. And the reason is this is not an area measured in the billions. It's an area measured in the trillions. This is going to be a game changer for them. And now we also have regulatory clarity. The new administration is supporting this. And as a result, now Coin is back to its pre-2022 levels. If you look at its revenue growth, it's 50% compared to 13% for the rest of the category, and it's growing in a very fast rate.
All right, so we're going to round out now, Eva, the trading trifecta, as I will call it. Interactive brokers, shares down. They were down a little bit over the past week, but the stock up today. And here's what's amazing about Thomas Petterfy's Interactive Brokers. Net income has more than doubled in 5 years or 3 years from 1.8 to 4.1 billion dollars. This company is printing money, Eva.
That's right. Their net income, as you said, more than doubled. Their revenue more than doubled too in the last 3 years. And in the last 5 years, their top line went from 85 to 92% because they're cut. Even though we have inflation, they cut their SG&A costs from 24 to 16%. And as a result, their earnings from continuing operations have gone from 52 to 69%. And that 17% growth is very significant. It's a huge number. We see an increase in accounts. We see an increase in trading volume. We also see an increase in the amounts people have deposited in IBKR. It's obviously smaller than Robinhood. It's 1/4 its size, but it's more global. It has more of an institutional orientation. It's different. We like both for different reasons.
Yeah, I tell you what, everybody seems to like everything. Robinhood, record volumes, record stock, interactive brokers soaring. Coinbase is up. Interest in stocks, crypto, and event trading has never been higher. Truly a remarkable time. Eva Ados, ERShares Chief Investment Strategist. Eva, thank you very much for coming on Power Check. Appreciate it. All right. Wow, folks, really, it is.